good, everybody? It's your boy Hardcore Key. Let's split them in the front to back side. So let's get open up another reaction video. Right now we got some Clawhammer human disease. Everybody, y'all been spamming this. But you know, it's here. And the next one I'll probably drop. You know, who knows? You might get a double upload today. Can I get 50 likes? No. 100 likes. No, 50. All right, 50. Can I get 50 likes? Now drop Arcania. Exterminate the Liberated. Yeah, I've been spamming that everywhere. But I never heard of Clawhammer, so let's do that.
I've been trying to figure something.
Oh, they got Brad Pitt in the band? Okay. Brad, okay.
When a person is insane, as you clearly are, do you know that you're insane? Maybe you're just sitting around reading Guns and Ammo, masturbating in your own feces. Do you just stop and go, wow, it is amazing.
What's going on here?
Fucking crazy. I really am.
Okay. That pit's weak. I'll tear them up. Okay. Not enough spin kicks. Let's get it. Oh, he throwing knees. Let's go. Let's go. This is great. Let's go. Oh. Oh, that's right. They swinging. They swinging. He just wants us all to fucking suffer in pain. Don't get me started. Okay, somebody will definitely be destroyed. What? This music video lit. He done knocked him out. That's wild. That was dope, man. That was dope. You know, at first I was like, all right, these pits are weak. And then they start throwing some bows. That's what I'm talking about, my guy. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, snap. Yo, shout out to Clawhammer. That was disgusting. I like that. I like that. Yo, let me know y'all come through Florida. Hey. I like how the whole music video was just a pic cam. I absolutely love that. Yo, let me know if I should bring a pic cam to the channel. I would absolutely love it. You can see me throwing bows. You can see me doing my thing, going crazy. You know, I'm not saying So absolutely. Thank you for spamming this, guys. I need it. It opened my mind. I got some couple ideas now for it. Go ahead and spin kick that like button. Go ahead and subscribe. I mean, if you want to, you do what you want. Freedom of choice. Hit that bell notification. No, don't do that. I'm annoying. And it's your boy Hall Corky.